You can imagine if it's some pork.
Oh God! Suppose you order a jerk pork.
My life will end right here. Oh, I hope it's not pork.
Brown liquor up in my cup. Me and two girl I wine up. Party shot, tune in my bar. Split lights so the night get fucked.
What's up, guys? We are back with another video.
Yes.
Today, as you know, we're going to do this. As you see the title, you know we are going to do it. So here we go. We're going to get right into the video today. Yeah, with this bottle. Actually, look here, guys.
I'm feeding him.
He's feeding him. That's why we're doing the intro in the back here right now, guys. To make this one different, we are going to add a Caribbean flavor to this one. So we are going to do what?
A Caribbean drive-thru,
which is a Jamaican drive-thru, which you guys probably know. Before we even tell you which one, just comment down below which place in America has a drive-thru and it's a Jamaican restaurant.
So we're trying to find all Caribbean places, but not many have drive-thrus.
Yeah.
So we had to start regular and then end with the Caribbean.
We were gonna go to Polo Tropical, but it's too far, yo, and you know how these gas prices be going up.
Oh my God.
So yeah, we're not gonna go to Polo Tropical.
And we went to another drive-thru.
But there was nobody there.
Nobody there, and we waited so long and nobody came. So we had to just switch up.
Yeah, so we had to switch up and go somewhere else. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Notification gang, notification squad, go ahead and comment down below. You don't know, big up on the damn self. Thank you guys for your love and support by subscribing. Go ahead right now. Boom.
Okay guys, we're back. Tell them where we are, Chad.
We are at Sonic right now.
So the Sonic near us just opened and we thought that what a better way to get something here.
Yeah, look on the menu, you know.
I think I only had Sonic once. I hope you get something really good.
The one time I had Sonic here was really bad. Well, not here, but Sonic in general.
Yeah, we
Did
only
you
had
like
it. No, remember it was really bad for both of us.
Yeah, can I get the same thing he just ordered? Yeah, can I get the same thing you just ordered? Yeah. Yeah.
Guys, so we're waiting on the food right now. But it didn't sound too bad what he got. What was it, like a burger?
Yeah, well,
I think he got like a burger.
I think it's a burger. She said some special name and I just like froze up and I was like, huh? And I was like, okay.
So we're still waiting on it. Hopefully it's good because I'm starving.
Starving. So the first place, as you guys know, is Sonic that we stopped at, and yeah.
I think we got burger and fries.
We ate there before once and we never liked it.
Yeah, but not at this one. We went to another one. I think it was on Miami.
Yeah, so we're hoping that this one is really good.
And they just did this one over.
Yeah, they renovate this one. So now we're gonna see how it is.
So let's start.
I hope it's a nice burger in here, by the way.
It smells so good.
By the way, the fries look like it's shots. Look at this, guys. She's just gonna grab the fries like that?
These are good.
She's gonna grab the fries like that? How the fries taste?
I don't know because I'm hungry.
Look.
I like to do these challenges hungry because you're gonna eat so much food that you have to do it when you're starving. But
yo, this is full of salt though.
Good.
They're full of salt. You don't taste it salty? But the fries are good though, I'm not gonna lie.
It's crunchy.
It's crunchy and nice. It actually tastes like some street fries food, if you guys know what I mean. No? No, alright, cool.
So this is a sandwich. Let's see what he got. This doesn't look bad.
Yeah, this guy in front of us looked like he knew what he was doing. He wanted... Yeah. Ooh, this look fire, guys. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Whoa, but this slice of bread though.
Yeah, it's flat, yo.
I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. Oh, bacon.
Oh, that means you can't eat it. I can't eat that.
And then take it out.
Nope. You eat it with it.
I'm gonna eat it first?
Yeah, you have to eat it with it.
Okay, let's go. It's like a lot, so it's like...
It does look good though, guys. I'm not lying.
Yeah. Okay.
Danielle said she was so hungry. Look at... Damn, that's a monstrous bite. You got food everywhere dropping. What do you think about that, Chase? I want some, Daddy. It's good? Thank God this is actually something that is good. The last one we did was the food never cut it, only the drink cut it. But this looks shot.
Okay, I'm gonna take out the bacon for you.
No, I'm good.
Eat it?
No, eat it.
No, you have to eat this.
She wants me to eat this, guys. The only thing that I would do different from this sandwich is take out the bacon and take out the tomato, because I don't know, tomato and sandwiches, it makes it so soggy.
It's the best.
It just make it soggy.
It make it soggy if you let it sit down. God, that's a good sandwich, right?
Mm-mm-mm.
Maybe it's because we're hungry.
Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. And you got the fries though? Mm-mm-mm.
Wait, give me a fry.
Mm-mm-mm.
I want a fry.
This is actually really good, guys.
Can I have a fry, please?
Sonny can redeem yourself.
Can I have a fry, please?
Here you go. Have one fry.
Thank you.
Yo, man, eat off this in
So, out of 10?
Sandwich? 10.
Fries?
10.
Coming back?
Yeah. Next up is
Dunkin' Donuts.
Dunkin' Donuts. A lot of people don't eat Dunkin' Donuts.
But we did Starbucks last week, so we have to try something different.
Yeah, and hopefully they buy some food, because they probably just buy a ordinary coffee or some iced coffee.
Iced coffee, right?
A lot of people over here eat a lot of sweet things, so they probably eat some donuts.
You're supposed to buy like a dozen donuts.
Hey, no donuts. We're trying to avoid eating donuts because, you know, we're on the health life.
Yeah, right.
Alright, smash the like button. If you guys love Dunkin' Donuts, comment down below right now.
Okay, guys, so there's 2 people in the car.
Oh God, pray for us. Yes, hi. Can I get the same thing the guy ordered in front of us?
I'm dead. Single scoop of raisin?
Yeah.
Double. You want a double?
Yeah.
She's like, you want a double? Same thing?
Did she say I'm dead?
I'm dead?
Yeah, I swear she said I'm dead.
No, I thought she said pull up. That's 2 different things though.
Alright guys,
I think it's a sandwich too.
Yeah.
I thought it was 2 people in the car.
It is 2 people in the car.
They got one thing?
They probably just got one thing.
Oh God. Guys, I am done.
Danielle
He got ice cream. I thought it was a sandwich.
No, Daniel, you thought it was a coffee, like a double shot coffee, and then no, you thought it was a sandwich. Look at this, guys.
It's a double scoop ice cream.
Ice cream at Dunkin' Donuts, guys. I'm out here eating that.
It looks like rum and raisin.
Yo, guys, I cannot believe this. This is, look here, it's a double scoop, you know, that's what double is. That's
oh.
what double.
I want some.
You can have it, I don't want this.
Come give me some of that.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this.
A rum and raisin ice cream.
Oh my gosh.
I thought it was a sandwich at first, then I thought it was a coffee.
Coffee, like a double shot. And then,
but it was a double scoop.
and there were 2 people in front of the car, so we thought, you know, like they got 2 of the things, the same things. But look, it's a damn ice cream in a Dunkin' Donuts.
And Chase got hungry while we're doing this video, so we had to pull over and feed.
Yes, I'm not gonna make Danielle eat this because it has dairy in there,
Yeah,
and
I'm trying
it might
to not eat dairy.
Yeah, we're trying to avoid dairy with Chase, so I'm gonna do one for the team. I do not like rum and raisin. Comment down below if you guys like rum and raisin. I do not, especially when it's coming out of Dunkin' Donuts. This is going to definitely run your belly. This is going to run your belly.
Nothing's wrong with Dunkin'
Ice cream not gonna run your belly.
Well, the dairy.
I am going to doo-doo right now, guys. All right, I'm gonna
Take one. You've been licking it because it's been dripping on you.
Shh, don't tell him that. All right, here I go.
How is it?
Did that rum and raisin? But
You don't like rum and raisin? Not from Devon House? You know
when I used to go to Devon House, I used to just go, look, girl, I know you mean eat ice cream.
Anyways, the best ice cream though is grape nut.
Yeah, actually, pistachio is best.
Yeah, pistachio is good too. You look like you're liking that rum and
I'm
raisin.
trying to finish it off.
No, you look like you're liking it for somebody.
I'm
who
not gonna
doesn't
waste
like
this.
it.
I'm not gonna waste this.
That's what you say, but
So
you look
far-
like you're enjoying it.
So far, Sonic is winning, by the way, guys.
Yeah,
Just let you
Sonic
guys
is
know.
winning. I had all of those fries, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
I was being really greedy.
And she ate it all off. By the way, this is actually not that bad, but I know it's gonna run my belly.
You're making me want some.
Yeah, you
No.
can't have none. Sorry.
You're going in on the ice cream. You're going in on the ice cream.
5 minutes later, guys, look at this ice cream though. I'm trying to finish it off for you guys, cause I don't know, man.
You like it?
Alright, yeah, I can't do it anymore. I know it's gonna run my belly and I'm gonna regret this
And you're
after
gonna
this
have
video.
something else after this.
Yeah, oh yeah, we have something else after, so I can't finish off the whole thing, so I apologize, guys. Alright, one more bite just for you. I'm gonna get the cone in there.
You love it. Oh.
The cone's steel. Sorry. The cone's steel. It's steel. The cone's steel. I cannot eat this. It's steel, Cinnamon. Like literally stale.
Because nobody buys ice cream.
Yeah, who buys ice cream in Dunkin Donuts? Comment down below right now. I know there's Baskin Robbins, but who does buy ice cream from there?
A lot of people.
Yeah, probably a lot of people. Alright, well yeah, love you guys. We're gonna go to the next place, and the next place is called
Dutch Pot.
Dutch Pot. We're going to Dutch Pot. If you guys didn't know, we're going to Dutch Pot. We're going to Dutch Pot because, you know, we had to bring some Jamaican flavor into this video.
Dutch Pot is the only Jamaican drive-thru
That we know of. Comment down below if there's any other Jamaican or Caribbean place that we could have go.
This is gonna be funny because people are probably buying dinner, so they're probably buying for the whole family now.
God, it can be expensive.
Everybody who got is just one person in front.
By the way, that line
Was like out
we
to the
drove
road.
past it and I was like, Jesus Christ. It was like out to the road, and Dutch Pot is always full. We have a long journey ahead of us, so we will be in the parking lot waiting and waiting and waiting. And you guys gonna see, and you guys gonna know right now. Alright, we're gonna get right to Dutch Pot right now.
Okay guys, I don't think you can see it yet, but this line is like...
I'm just gonna drive around because it's really bad. Look at that.
Oh my god.
All the way around, guys. All the way around.
Look at this.
Alright guys, we are currently here at Dutch Pot. We're like 2 cars in front of me. The car in front of me is tinted right now, so I don't know how much people are in front of me.
Suppose you get 2 patties.
No, I want food. Give me food.
Or what about a soup?
I can drink the soup, but I mean, I would prefer food.
What about if it's just a cocoa bread?
Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to the Dutch Pot. My name is Taylor. Together with you. May I have your first name, please?
Chad.
Hi, Chad. How are you doing today?
Good. Can I have the same thing the person in front of me just have?
Alright, no problem, Chad. Come on.
Thank you.
What a nice lady.
She's so nice. I want to say shout out to Dutch Pot. We don't know, sponsor the video, but shout out to Dutch Pot.
Have a nice day, Mr. Chad.
I don't even know what to order.
You just order a steamed fish, a curry goat, a oxtail, everything expensive.
He looked like he was there for a long time, you know.
No, he look like him quick, him know what he wants.
No, I feel like he was there for a little while.
I hope it's a patty again.
I'm nervous right now, guys. You can imagine if it's some pork.
Oh God! Suppose you order a jerk pork.
My life will end right here. Oh, I hope it's not pork because I couldn't eat the sandwich because of the damn pork today.
Oh my God!
I'm hungry.
Me too.
It's my food, not your
Mine. This is what they got.
This is what we got.
One person in the car.
Yeah, so actually we thought we were gonna get more food, and yeah, we just got one food so we can share it. Yeah, but
let's see what it is.
we've been fortunate because I was scared because a car before that had 4 people in there, and they were taking forever.
But this car, we didn't know how many people were in.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, honestly.
Yeah, she just said.
They told us the price.
Thing?
Yeah, they just told me the price, and that was it. Smells good though. It smells like barbecue.
Yeah.
It does smell like barbecue. We're about to tell you right now.
Oh, good choice. Look how much planting.
Yeah, shout out to who does get this right now. Big up your damn self. You're probably not watching this video, but big up your damn self. Yeah, this looks really good. I'm not gonna lie. Dutch Pot food be fire sometimes, bro. They'll be fire.
Okay, go.
So you go. Take a bite. Smells good, guys. If you guys could smell this right now, it smells like barbecue.
It is
it's
barbecue.
barking barbecue. Look at that. You look cute.
Thank you.
I prefer you than the food.
It's not bad.
Not bad? Good? You gotta eat a piece of the chicken now. Taste of barbecue chicken here now, guys. Fire?
Yeah. Lots of barbecue sauce. But
guys, you can get this for $6.82.
that's how much you paid?
Yeah, that's all you paid. This food right here, all this food. I don't know why people don't buy more Jamaican food more often, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe that's why the line was that long. Yeah. Guys, we're literally there for 20 minutes.
I've been trying to stick this planting. It wasn't ready. It wasn't ready.
What's going on here?
This planting wasn't ready. Okay, guys.
So she's just gonna eat the food, and you say, "Hey Chad, you want some food? Would you like to eat some?" No, just screw Chad. Who is Chad? Who is Chad? Look at her, just eating the food. Guys, we're just watching her. Let's just watch her eat. We're not gonna end up finishing off this right now in front of you guys, because it's gonna take forever. And Danielle eats like, as you can tell, she eats really slow, Like
that's why I always lose the food challenges.
Yeah, like she really eats slow. Look at this, and look how much she takes. Look at it. Come on, and she not even gonna give me none, you know. She just go eat.
So actually, this is a barbecue chicken with oxtail gravy on the rice.
Yo, oxtail gravy?
On the rice.
Fire.
With plantain.
Oh God.
And cabbage and like carrots. So, how are you liking it, sir? How much you paid?
$6.82. I think you guys should go get this right now.
Look on this, guys.
Fire.
This is our best one yet.
Yeah.
So today we did good apart from the ice cream.
Yeah, the ice cream one threw me off.
Because Sonic was really good.
Yeah, and I thought there was gonna be some weird stuff on Sonic.
Dunkin' Donuts was just weird because we got freaking ice cream.
Ice cream. That's the one that has me off guard.
And Dutch Pot, of course.
Yeah.
Dutch Pot is good. It's just we didn't know what we're gonna get.
I was hoping I don't get no pork.
I was hoping he got a patty. Actually, no, I was hoping he got jerk pork.
Yeah, because if we had pork, it would have been a disastrous day.
You would have to eat it.
I would not be eating it.
You would eat it,
just
guys.
like
Comment down below if Chad should eat pork in a video.
No, fire. Bun the hat. Bun the hat.
So guys, we did this one for you guys to add in the Caribbean flavor.
Yeah, we were gonna do two other places, but they're too far, and
one of them didn't have anybody in the line.
We went there. We were staying there for like what do you call it? Los Perros?
Yeah, Los Perros.
Yeah.
But nobody was in the line and we were there for like 20 minutes.
20 minutes waiting, and then Chase got fussy, so we said, alright, let's just cut.
And then Poya Tropical, we're gonna do that, but then the line over there was crazy.
Crazy. I wanted to bring the Jamaican one into this, so that's why we said we have this amount of time, let's go do it right now and just do it.
And Dutch Pot is the only Jamaican drive-thru we know about, as we said before, so we couldn't do any other video.
Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Comment down below what else you guys want to see us do next. Yeah, notification gang, notification squad, you are gonna get your shout out. First notification shout out goes to
Ariana Wilson.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right over Danielle's head top, right here, right here, right here.
Oh, right there. Okay, next one goes to Vicky Army.
Big up your damn self, Vicky. You're gonna go right here, right here, right here.
And last but not least goes to Shani.
Shani, big up your damn self. You're gonna go right over here, if you can see, right here. Big up on the damn self.
That's hugging all the food, guys.
I'm not gonna eat anymore. Daniel's gonna eat. I kind of upset my stomach with the ice cream, and yeah, I know I'm gonna use the toilet right now. If you want to be a part of notification gang, notification squad, go ahead, comment down below. Notification notification bang bang bang. Subscribe, hit the bell, like, and we're waiting for Daniel to say something.
Because I'm like listening to you and you don't tell him to like, you don't tell him to subscribe, you don't tell him to hit the bell, you just gone straight to notification hashtag.
We're almost at 100,000 subscribers, guys. Go ahead and subscribe. Let's hit that 1K. 1K, not 1K, 100K.
Yeah, 1K.
100K. Pick up on the damn self. I'm happy right now, guys. Are you happy? Comment down below right now. We are happy, so we want you guys to be happy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video again. I'm just talking over Daniel.
I know, every time I want to talk, you just talk.
I want to say thank you guys for your love and support again.
Love
Can't say
you.
this much. And yeah, we are gonna sayonara right now. Sayonara, babe. Love you. Peace.